Hi, if you're a UK resident looking for a personal loan or a credit card offer and you're wondering about 118 money, I've just gone through it and I'll share what I found, what's good, and what you must watch out for. Let's jump straight in. What is 118 money? 118 money is the financial services arm of the brand you may recognize from the directory inquiries adverts. They're officially a trading name of Madison CF UK Limited. Open banking, what they offer. Unsecured personal loans between £1,000 and £8,000 over terms of 12 to 60 months. 118 money. They also offer a credit card product designed for people who may have less than perfect credit. Finder.com, eligibility. You must be a UK resident, aged 18 to 70, have a UK bank account and debit card, be employed or self-employed, and have a minimum net income, about £700 a month for loans. Compare the market. My experience and what stood out. When I applied, the process was surprisingly quick. The eligibility checker is upfront and doesn't harm your credit score if you just check. I did it. They consider people with patchy credit, which is helpful. 118 money. Once approved, the funds were transferred surprisingly fast, within hours, depending on your bank. Compare the market. The mobile app is fairly smooth. You can manage your loan, see your balance, make extra payments. Smart money people, positive. Good if you've had credit issues and want a lender that actually considers you. Transparent about loan amounts, term lengths, the fact that interest is higher than mainstream lenders. Helpful app and online management. But as I found, there are caveats. Important. The representative APR is high. The company states approximate 49.9% APR at the moment. Little-loans.com. That means if you borrow, say, £2,000 for 24 months, you'll repay around £2,967.43 according to one example. The claims guide. Also, while they allow early repayment, there may still be some interest charged for the initial days. Little-loans.com. If you miss repayments, fees apply, and it will hurt your credit score further. Compare the market. Who should consider 118 money and who should not? So, when is this a good choice? If you need a loan and you've had trouble finding a lender because of credit history. If you understand the high interest and are confident you'll make the repayments without stretching yourself. If you want the convenience of an app, fast decision, and UK-based lender. When you should think twice. If you can qualify for a loan at a much lower rate, e.g., from mainstream banks or credit unions. If you are borrowing for a long term just because you can't afford short-term repayments, that will cost you heavily. If your income is uncertain or you might struggle to meet repayments, missing payments can make things worse. In short, it's useful, but not cheap. It's a tool, not a free ride. To wrap up, my verdict is that 118 money is solid for its target market, people who need access to credit and might be overlooked by mainstream lenders. I found their process transparent, the app easy to use, and they are regulated. But the high cost means you must borrow responsibly. If I were to recommend one line, only borrow the amount you truly need, make sure you can afford the monthly payments, and aim to repay early if possible. That way you make the most of what 118 money offers while minimizing the cost. If you found this helpful, like the video and subscribe for more UK financial services reviews. Drop a comment if you've used 118 money or you're thinking about it. I'd love to hear your experience or questions. Thanks for watching, stay smart with your money, and see you next time.